Do you want to turn on location in Instagram? You can enable map location on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn on the map location in Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines menu at the top right corner of the screen. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the Who Can See Your Content section and tap on Story and Location. From here, tap on the Location Sharing option. Now, a new screen will open showing the Instagram maps. At the top right corner, tap on the Location Settings icon. A pop-up will appear with several options like Friends, Close Friends, Only These Friends, and No One. Select Friends or Close Friends to share your location on Instagram Maps. Then, tap on the Share Location button at the bottom of the pop-up screen. Once done, your Instagram location sharing will be turned on, and your friends will be able to see your activity on Instagram Maps.